This is a very simple project to make hidden paperclip tabs for your journal or for your books that go slide onto your journal pages. Like so. And here are some more examples. And you can't see the paperclip because it's hidden. And I found this tutorial on Seven Plaza YouTube channel, but she goes into much more detail and she actually adds dangles, like she puts like a hole in the side and she'll add dangles and more embellishments. But I'm just going to show you this most simple way. So what you need is outside paper. You actually need quite thin card. This is a little bit too flimsy. And you need, excuse me, the outside is 8 inches by 2 inches. And the inside is 6 inches by 1 3/4. But this piece of paper is slightly narrower than that, but it doesn't matter. And then you need a paper clip and some glue. I'm using some bookbinding glue. And then you fold both pieces of paper in half. And then the smaller piece of paper, you attach a paper clip to the middle at the top, like so. Then you decide what part of the tab you want to have sticking out. I want this bit here. And then I'm going to put glue on the back of this and glue it here, like so. So I'll do that next. Just make sure the paper clip is straight. And then just make sure I'm in shot. And then I'm going to stick this on quite near the bottom, leaving an even space as much as I can either side and at the bottom. Give it a good press down. And you can see this bit still opens up, like so. Okay. Oh, I think I've stuck that on wonky. Never mind. Now what we need to do now is add glue to this part above the paper clip and on this piece itself, but not around the edge. And then hold it down. Until it sticks. And then, now what I should have done is I actually had coloured paper on the inside and I've stuck it down in the wrong way. But it doesn't really matter too much, but it would have been nicer if, for instance, you had a nice sort of coloured side showing, or like this. So I should have folded it this way. And then when I stuck it in, you'd have that nice coloured part showing instead. Anyway, I'm here to make the mistakes for you, so you don't do silly things like I sometimes end up doing in my haste to get the demonstration across to you. So anyway, that's the way I should have folded it, with a nice paper on the inside. So that is your Paperclip tab bookmark, and let's see if it works. Let's see. And there you go. It's a little bit flimsy. As I say, you need more of a card weight rather than paper. This is a little bit too thin, but it will work. And also need to give it time to dry, and then it can flatten out as well. And that's it. Or you can also use it in the top as a bookmark there as well. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel or give me a thumbs up or comment. Thank you.